man. This boy look nice. Dog, these look.
Yeah.
I fuck with them, man.
I just did it quick because I had to get a 7.
Like the wheels wasn't bad, it just had bad paint, I say. What you think you going with after this? CTSV? Yeah, I had to get these, bro.
I just wanted to balance them.
What's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today I'm trying to at least get the SS wheels off, which that also means that we're gonna be doing the new wheel install. These will also begin a new paint job, at least to touch them up so they're more able to get sold for a decent price. Looking at, I'm starting to see that this is looking like it got a slow leak, so I'm gonna have to deal with that pretty soon because I start seeing that. But let's go get the check. Here go one over those wheels. They are dirty right now. It's pretty cold, but I'm just hoping they look good with this red. I'm still trying to figure out whether I want to wrap it or just stick with the red when I get it in the body shop. But I'm about to bring them all out so I can get this thumbnail, and then boom. I have no clue where my freaking on is, so let me just sit y'all up right here. Gonna go ahead, check this way up. Well, first we need to loosen them. I ain't gonna lie, during the summer, I was getting these on and off. Haven't did it in a minute, I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully I got enough room over here. One. 2. 3. Look all of them down. Let's get this. Now with a G8, you could literally just lift the car up from the differential. I say that's your best place to want to monitor that. It's right behind your 2 bushes. So it's time to just get y'all a better view. So I gotta show y'all, gotta talk to y'all, let y'all know. I don't own the Impact, so my pops does, but I'm more so into like just getting off with this. Kinda does. It definitely does. But that is the first wheel off of there. So let's see. Okay, it stayed. So yeah, good upgrade. It's actually thicker. That's crazy. Let's latch back in. My glove actually flew away. Here we go. I ain't gonna lie, I need this glove because my hands be cold. Can't be too cold. But from the looks of it, these are wider. So that's cool with me. Honestly. Good. The last ones I bought in a full set was some chrome ones. It was for my V6. Actually, it was for this car. People don't know, but the wheels on my V6 actually was on my V8 before, because I ended up just getting a whole nother set. I know that's probably not the best way to get these out, but yeah, these look good. I ain't gonna lie, that matte finish looks good. It's gonna look good on here too. No, it's just all right. Locked into this one. No way. No way that these are not the ones I need. No fucking way. Can get mad because this. You know, we in a V6 with it. We just got from AutoZone. Couldn't get matte finish. I'm kind of bummed about that, but at the same time, hold on, I had to do my little turn. At the same time, as long as they black, so no problem with that. Janky ass V6, man. Man, look at this dweeb, bro. Don't cut over here, fuck boy. Just trying to get through. I got something to put together. But I'll catch y'all boys back at the house. Try to knock this out. Set y'all back up. Back in business. It never went out.
Morning Productions.
No, 13. Oh, I'm tripping. I was about to start tripping. Oh, man, did. Hey. So, this side is technically all done. It's time to get to the next side. We looking still dirty. Still gotta get the springs on. Yes, I'm deciding that I should just put the springs on so the fitment could be good. And gonna end up putting the Brembos on. But right now, it's about to go sell a part. So, y'all don't know, I had this Holden, what's the name? Holden spoiler. I got out the junkyard. And I'm finna go sell it right now to somebody to order the Holden front end. And I think that'd just be cool overall. Also, I'm about to put these GT lights back on to the GT. But yeah, all that start. I should go get a wash for real. But yeah, it's a pretty decent day. Pretty decent day. decent as hell. Yeah, I can see the holding. What's the name being on here? This shit low. This shit is definitely low.